In the series of Excel, we have seen in last two video we have seen how to split a single cell into different cells. Okay, how to split a data into singles from single cell to different cell, and how to convert a single cell, how to again convert multiple cell into single cell. We have a data, this data. Now in this video we will see how to check the duplicate values by conditional formatting. So this is very useful formula in a lot of industries. So let's see how do you use this formula. But before you starting video, I have one request with you, that if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press bell icon button. Okay, so this is short data, but if the data is large, so how you find a duplicate value? So there is a simple trick for this. Select the row or the data where you want to find a duplicate value. Okay, so now use the conditional formatting button, and now first option, that is highlight cell rule, and the option last duplicate value, click on that, and duplicate value will be will be highlighted by red color. So click on the OK button. Now you get the duplicate value highlighted by the red color. Hope you like video. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press bell icon button. In the next video we will see new interesting things related to Excel. So please stay tuned. Thank you.